With Automower by Husqvarna, who needs you? It's the original yard robot. It goes around your trees and flower beds. It goes up hills up to 30 degrees in grade. Even does narrow areas and walkways. Automower beautifully manicures your lawn automatically. Imagine a lot more mower and a lot less of you. Automower from Husqvarna.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
The Ego 56-volt Power Plus 15-inch brushless string trimmer delivers the ultimate in power and cut capacity. An all-new brushless motor produces 5,500 RPMs of cutting power, clearing even the most aggressive overgrowth, weeds, and brush with ease. It's fueled by the industry's first and most advanced 56-volt lithium-ion battery, giving you up to 45 minutes of runtime and fully recharges in only 40 minutes. The dual twist .095 string line clears a full 15-inch cut swath, and the bump feed head ensures cutting line is there when it's needed. Its durable construction is backed by a 5-year warranty. Effortlessly switch the battery between any of the Ego Power Plus tools, so you never have to stop what you're doing. A string trimmer with maximum clearing power that doesn't need a tune-up. The Ego 56-volt 15-inch brushless string trimmer, part of the Ego Power Plus system. Ego, power beyond belief.
The Automower house hydrant is a revolutionary faucet system that makes access to your water easy and enjoyable. With the Automower connector attached to your garden hose, simply plug into the hydrant for instant water access. Water automatically turns on as soon as you connect. No more threading on your hose, no more leaks or drips, just water when you need it. When you're done, just untwist and go. Water automatically stops, and the hydrant is protected down to negative 30 degrees. Made from food-grade stainless steel and heavy-duty DuPont Delring, Automower hydrants are durable and built to last. We make products that you'll actually enjoy using. With Automower, you'll save time and water.
Today we're taking a closer look at the electronic hose end watering timer from Rainbird. Now, this is a battery-operated controller, takes 2 AA batteries, and hooks up to any standard hose spigot. It's a very simple way to automate the watering in your lawn and garden, maybe patio plants. Some of the features of this controller are a very large screen and easy to understand dial. It makes it very simple to program and to set exactly what you're looking for. The first thing you want to do is set the clock to the current time. And once you've selected that, press OK, and then select the current day of the week. Now we're going to set the start time. And you generally want to set it to come on early in the morning when it's not too windy and it's a little bit cool. If you want to have a second start time, you can tell it OK and pick a time a little bit later to allow for the water to soak in. Next, we'll set the watering duration, how long you want it to run, and press OK when you're done. And then set the days of the week you want it to come on. It defaults to Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Maybe in your neighborhood you're not allowed to water on Wednesdays. Just press that off. You can see on the right which days you have selected. We'll add Thursday, remove Friday, and add Saturday instead. So we're set to water Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. And then turn it to auto. That's all there is to it.
In this film, we're going to take a look at the AXT25TC Quiet Shredder from Bosch. The Quiet Shredder's wheels make transportation around your garden effortless and easy. When you turn the shredder on, the blades on the cutting unit will need to be adjusted. This can be done by using the black adjustment knob. You'll know when you've adjusted the blades correctly when you can see aluminium shavings in the collection box. The shredder's fast-feeding hopper and turbine cut systems make it perfect for shredding both greenery and hard wood. It guarantees an extremely fast material throughput of up to 230 kilograms per hour and has a 45mm cutting capacity. The shredded material is perfect for composting and after used as a natural fertilizer. In the unlikely event of a blockage, simply press the yellow reverse button on the cutting device. For enhanced safety, the Quiet Shredder has an automatic shutdown system, which turns it off immediately when the hopper or collection box are removed. When you've finished shredding, the removable hopper fits into the large collection box, making the AXT25TC just 67 centimeters tall, ideal for easy storage. Now, go ahead and enjoy the AXT25TC Quiet Shredder from Bosch.